Hi everyone, I'm Ongezwa Ntsepe and welcome back to my YouTube channel called Business and All. In this channel, we discuss everything that has to do with the business, the successes, the failures, and everything in between. And in today's video, we are going to be discussing Club 40. So let's get into it. Firstly, what is Club 40? Club 40 is a quarterly recognition criteria set by INUKA. It is recognition given to members who sell 40 or more personal PVs in 3 consecutive months of a quarter. And for those who do not know, PVs are points value allocated to each INUKA product. For example, 1 classic perfume equals 1 PV. And personal PVs are your PVs that you accumulate from the products that you have sold or from the products that you have ordered from INUKA. It is also very important to know that Club 40 is based on a quarter. This means that in 1 quarter, for all the 3 months that make up a quarter, you need to make 40 or more PVs for each month. For example, if you're wanting to achieve Club 40 in quarter 1, which is January up until March, it means that in January you have to make 40 or more PVs, in February you need to make 40 or more PVs, and in March you need to make 40 or more PVs. That way you will qualify for Club 40. You must also remember that an INUKA month is not like a normal month where it's the 1st up until the 30th or the 31st. INUKA month starts on the 7th of the current month and then ends on the 6th of the following month. For example, January sales month would be the 7th of January up until the 6th of February. This means that your first quarter, which is January to March, starts on the 7th of January and then ends on the 6th of April 2021. What do you get when you actually complete Club 40? There are different things that you get when you complete Club 40 depending on your Club 40 status. For example, first time Club 40 achievers get an INUKA Club 40 bag. Second time you get INUKA tablecloth. The third time you get INUKA banner, and the fourth time you get A4 folder. The fifth time you get Club 40 bag with 100 product samples, and then the 6th time and beyond you get 1,500 cash rebate. What is very much important to note about Club 40 is that if you miss 2 consecutive quarters of not achieving Club 40, you forfeit your Club 40 status. What does this mean? It means that if, for example, in quarter 1 you did achieve Club 40 and your status was 2nd time Club 40 achiever, but then in quarter 2 and in quarter 3 you do not achieve Club 40, it means that when you achieve it in quarter 4, you will not be recognized as the 2nd time Club 40 achiever, but you will be again recognized as the 1st time Club 40 achiever because you've missed 6 months of not achieving any Club 40. Since Club 40 is based on personal PVs, it is very important to know that PVs are not allocated to products that are not meant for resale. This includes product samples, it includes marketing materials like apparel, brochures, business guides, pens, and all that stuff. PVs are only allocated to products that are for resale, which is your perfumes, your lotion, your hair products, and your skin products. And also, what is very most important to note about Club 40 is that because it is based on personal PVs, the PVs of your downlines do not count, only your PVs count. So it will be PVs of the stock you have sold and PVs of the people that you have introduced in the business, which is the PVs that you get from the kits of the people. For example, when you introduce a person using the small kit, you do get 2.5 PVs, and those PVs count towards your personal PVs. And then the PVs that you also get from the stock that you buy from INUKA. But the PVs of the people that are under you, your downlines, they do not count towards your Club 40 because those are considered as group PVs and not personal PVs. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions or anything you want to add on this presentation, please comment it down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video, do the most, and remember, never say no to a crown.